of YouTube? It's your girl Stormialena back at it again with another video. So this is the fourth room. Dito, ayan. So ito yung gagawin nating beauty room. Lalagyan natin siya ng wallpaper kasi hindi ko bet yung sky blue. So, ayan. Nagbili na ako ng wallpaper. So, yes. If you want to see the outcome, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing you need to do is to make sure na walang alikabok sa inyong mga wall and mga bumps. And if ever meron, kailangan niya siyang i-sandpaper. And luckily, dito sa wall na to, wala siyang mga bumps. May mga ano lang siya, abog. So, yan, binabasa ko yung instruction. But, alam mo yun, very basic lang naman. So, let's just skip that part. And it would come handy if you have someone to help you. Just like that. Yes, okay. And then, of course, you need some scissors. And, maganda kasi itong nabili kong wallpaper is meron siyang mga grids sa likod ng kanyang adhesive. So, makakat talaga ng straight yung gi-measure ko kanina. So, ayan. I'm just making sure na walang mga bubbles and everything na may iwan. So, ayan. And, gina-make sure ko na straight siya. And, maganda din kasi, hindi siya masyadong madikit pag bago mo pa lang siya gilagay. So, pwede mo siyang i-adjust, and pwede mo siyang idikit ulit. And, didikit naman siya ulit without any problem. So, ayan, I'm just repositioning the camera for a better angle. As you can see here, with the palm of your hand, i-swipe nyo lang yung mga air bubbles na ma-cut up sa inyong wallpaper if meron man. And make sure na pantay yung inyong mga wallpaper. And kasi marami akong nakikita ang mga reviews sa Shopee na nakaka-bother. Yung mga wallpaper nila is hindi nagkakatugma-tugma, and halata mo talaga kung saan nag-end yung mga wallpaper. And please lang, sinasayang nyo yung mga wallpaper nyo. If bibili kayo ng wallpaper, idikit nyo na ng maayos. Ipantay nyo na yung mga design na naka-align ng maayos. Okay? Para maganda naman tignan. So, yes. And that's what I'm doing here. Making sure that it's straight. Yung mga patterns is nagkaka-align. And you should do that too for the best result. Okay? So, yeah. And by the way guys, hindi ko to sa Shopee binili. Dito ko lang sa local store ko binili. But I'm pretty sure meron din nga itong design. And same lang din sa quality siguro ng Shopee. Kasi nakita ko same lang sila ng brands. So malamang sa malamang it's the same. And yes, share ko lang ang quality ng wallpaper na to is not the same as the quality doon sa master's bedroom ng wallpaper na binili ko. Kasi ayun is much more like paper talaga siya, but thicker and more 3D like yung kanyang mga print. And you need a separate adhesive para idikit yung wallpaper na yun. And I like it more than this one. But I don't have the time to wait anymore para sa Shopee na wallpaper. So I just go for this. It's pretty naman, but not as the same quality as yung wallpaper namin sa bedroom namin. So, ayan, share ko lang na may iba't ibang uri ng wallpaper. And if you want me to review that, just let me know in the comment section below. So, yeah. So, ayan, kapag nagdikit kayo ng wallpaper, make sure na yung pattern is is dikit na dikit sa isa't isa. So here, hindi ko talaga siya madikit. Sa taas is dikit na dikit naman. Pero pagdating dito, is sumasablay tayo ng kaunti. So, I'm gonna try to fix that and do whatever I can na mag-align sila. So, it's not that bad naman kapag malayo. Pero pag malapit, kitang-kita mo talaga na hindi siya pantay. So, knowing me, I'm gonna repeat it all again and try my best na magdikit sila. Pero dito sa taas, dikit na dikit siya. So, let's try again. So, yeah, I did it all over again and somehow hindi talaga siya nagpapantay-pantay. I don't know if sa print or sa wall, but hindi naman siya that bad pag tingnan mo. As you can see here, di ba, hindi nyo ma-distinguish kung saan yung end nung isang wallpaper. So, it's not that bad. I'm okay with that. So, yan. Just try your best na magkakadikit-dikit talaga siya. Guys, so may naalala pala ako. Meron siyang mga instructions dito sa likod. So, ayan yung instruction niya. And here, allowing overlap of a few centimeters if surface cover is large. Okay. Cut the dimensions required, allowing overlap of a few centimeters. So, ayan. Meron siyang mga instructions sa likod. So, kapag mag-cut kayo, it's easier kasi meron siyang mga lines sa likod. So, ganyan. Okay, let's do that. So, ayun, for the 100th time, inulit ko na naman siya. And this time, it's harder. Like, 1 hour na akong paulit-ulit. Kasi, anxious talaga ako. But, in the end, hinayaan ko na lang siya na medyo hindi siya pantay. Kasi, I cannot do anything about it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I did overlap it a few centimeters, but it still doesn't look good for me. Pero, okay na yan. Di naman nila alam, diva. So, ayun. Carry na. G na ako dyan. Okay. And sa mga next na wallpaper na dinikit ko is ganun talaga siya. Hindi siya masyadong dikit na dikit sa second na wallpaper. And I think it's because of the print talaga. So, I cannot do anything about it. So, ayan. Okay. Okay, next. So, ayan. Next angle na naman tayo. So, andito tayo sa may baba. And, gina-make sure ko talaga na saktong-sakto siya sa pinakababa. And, ang ginapang score ko is yung aming knife para, alam mo yun, sakto talaga siya sa size ng wall. And, ayan, a better look of what I'm doing. Yan. So, ginascore ko siya ng knife. And then, ikakat ko siya ng scissors. At saka ko siya ididikit ulit. So, ayan. It's as important as pag pantay ng wallpapers, ng design, and pati na yung sa taas. Para naman, you know, it looks professionally done. So, yes, get the most out of your money that you spent with your wallpaper. So, yeah, listen to me and do these tips. Okay? Okay. So, ayan, yung aming unika iha, dumating na from a weekend from her grandparents. So, ayan, as you can see, nag-aano na siya, kumukulit ng kumukulit. And yes, I don't recommend having a kid around while doing this kasi meron tayong scissors and knife. But luckily, my partner is with me to watch out for Yana. So, yes. So, here, dito na ako sa pinaka-corner. And, kinunan ko na siya ng sukat, and luckily meron nga mga grids itong wallpaper na ito, so it's easier for me to follow those lines and sukatin ang kanyang kahaba. So ayan, I'm just cutting the wallpaper. So ayan. Okay, so ididikit na siya natin dito sa corner, and make sure na hindi kayo lalampas kasi sakto lang yung ating pagsukat. So, ayan, dinidikit ko lang, and making sure na walang mga bubbles by using the palm of my hands para i-flatten siya, pushing the bubbles sa sides. So, ayan. Okay, ganyan din ang gawin nyo. Okay, next. So, ayan, sinscore ko lang yung gilid using itong knife namin because I don't have cutter, and if I do, I don't prefer it anyway kasi hindi ako marunong mag-cut ng straight line using cutter. So, yes, I just use this one. It gets the job done, so we have no problem. So, yeah, okay. So, yeah, that's pretty much what I did para ma-make sure ko na sakto yung cut ng aking wallpapers. So, yeah. Ginascore ko siya ng knife and i-cut ko siya ng scissors para malinis yung kanyang pagka-cut. So, yes. So, yeah. And, yeah. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this. See you on my next vlog. Buyers! Okay, bye!
So, ito na yung ating finished product, guys. Wow, ang ganda, diba? So, if you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye! Bye na yan ah!
Bye!
So, mo subscribe! Oy.